Check the pedigree. Yeah, we got the recipe. We came in the game with no referee. Big dog. Yeah, we some big dogs. 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 Check the pedigree. Yeah, we got the recipe. We came in the game with no referee. Big dog. Yeah, we some big dogs. Yeah, we some big dogs.
4-week old pup day, y'all. Bullhead bullet camp, man. Y'all see how we rocking at the camp, man. Real bulldog right there, man. Y'all see the rope on him at 4 weeks, man. You see the head on that boy at 4 weeks, man. Look at the paws on them, tight feet, man. Tight feet. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got none of that web shit. You know what I'm saying? That's that boy swole, y'all. Look, man, we got bulldog. We got the girl Coco. Little mama. Little mama. Ooh, look at her. Blue eyes. Yeah, look at Coco, man. Two gorgeous bitches right there. Hey, little mama is available, y'all. So y'all got your money right, tap in. Bullhead Bullet Camp, man. On our social media, man. Look at them heads on them bulldogs, man. Look at the ropes on them bulldogs, man. Real bulldog, man. Chocolate tri-merle. Black merle. Black tri-merle. Now look, we got the boy 2-time. You see the 10 points in his face splashing through. You see my girl Roxy. You know what I'm saying? That's baby, she's a keeper. You know what I'm saying? She got 10 points too with the smut try. 4-week pup day, y'all. We kind of move kind of swift, y'all. There we go. Yeah.
Tank and we got Pretty Boy.
Yeah. Pretty Boy done got big too, man. He done pad Tank. His head bigger than Tank. Y'all see Tank though, I don't know if that's a chocolate fawn merle, I don't know what that is. He looked at lilac when he was born. You see, we spit out nothing but the merles, man. He got 10 points too, so they all tri-merles, man. They all tri-merles. Except for my bitch, and y'all don't even need to worry about her. She staying with the camp. Look at that boy, man. It's the baby of the bunch. Look at him, man. We got a rope forming on his head. The head, man. Short back, short legs. Look at him, man. Tight feet, man. Look at him. And he got the little cockeyed thing going on, man. Looking real dwarfed out type shit. I love it. I love it, man. Bullhead Bullet Camp, man. Y'all see. Who we got left? That's it there, man. Bullhead Bullet Camp, man. We came quick with y'all in the video today, man. You know what I'm saying? 4-week pup day, man. Y'all see how I'm moving around? They moving around pretty good, man. We lost one. Man, hey, they come with the game, man. Come with the game, man. Oh, and we right back. We right back with another breed, man. Sunday, man. Yeah. Sunday, man. Right back, man. Ripp and Bella, man. Rip Time Bella. Yeah.
Rip Time Bella. That's gonna be some hot exclusive shit.
Oh man, y'all gonna have to tap in.
Big ropes. Yeah.
And so y'all miss out on these. We coming right back, man. 2 breedings in the summer, man.
Y'all can't catch that there. We got something for you.
Yeah, 2 breedings in the summer, man. Who rocking like the bullheads, man? Who rocking like us, man? And we gonna holler at y'all in the next one, man.
Champion blood, but your stud just ain't producing. Yeah, it's off the rubber. Come get the juice. Bullhead Bullet Camp, yeah, really official. We for bone and structure first, but we got that extra incentive.
We got the head, bone, color, structure, all compact in a minute. Water mug, Prince Grape, ape. I bet they ain't heard that in a minute. I'ma mix up some bipolar and some Escobar. Big up some Rushmore, we gon' be winning. I really ain't worried about too many studs no more, cause Ripp gon' handle that business. Yeah, I'm mixing the blood, I feel like a chemist. The bullet world gonna know we in it. I need me a bull, I need some thick. That pig shit really too skinny.
And shout out to Dutchess, cause that bitch just threw us a 9-piece. And we keeping that bitch out the litter. Now watch how we kill him with these line breeds.
Yeah, we some big dogs. Yeah, we some big dogs. Check the pedigree. Yeah, we got the recipe. We came in the game with no referee. Big dog. Yeah, we some big dogs. 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 Check the pedigree. Yeah, we got the recipe. We came in the game with no referee.